friends, just look what I have in my car on the back row of seats. My car has built-in booster seats. This seat is easy to use. You can use if you are 24 months up to 18 kilograms only with a lock and side headrest, and used from 15 to 25 kilograms only with side headrest, and from 22 to 36 kilograms with or without side headrest. When you have booster seats. What do you think, guys, about booster seats in car? Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, comments on the video.